We're here today with the HP Pavillion TX 1100 laptop. And this is an entertainment notebook. I quite like it. It's a slate screen, so that actually turns as well. And it's got touch-sensitive controls.
Right. And I think Susie looked at the prior model to this one.
She looked at the TX 1000.
Sure, she was entirely sold by it, but I actually think it's all right, with the exception of, sorry, if I can put it back together again, one feature, which is that the trackpad is a bit bizarre.
Yeah, it's just not really that sensitive. I mean, when you're using, because the screen itself, you can use via a stylus and touch it, and that, or you have to press quite hard for it to work. It does work, however.
It does, and you know, the stylus is actually not typically for these things quite chunky and quite nice and easy to use. But I don't know, there was something about the kind of feel of this that wasn't great. Having said that, I think there were some pretty good features. You've got the rundown of the specs for us.
Yeah, well, it's got a 1.3 megapixel webcam, but what I really like is it's actually got 2 microphones. That's really good if you're using VoIP, so people can just hear you all the time.
It's actually going to be much clearer than usual.
As well as that, you've got 160 gigabyte hard drive. You have a little remote control to operate it, and it comes with a spare battery. I can't tell you how many times my battery's died and I've cursed and I've cried, and this would just made me so happy.
And that's pretty handy because you can tell it's supposed to be portable. It's is it 12.1 inch screen?
Yes.
I believe, widescreen, and it is pretty light. Obviously, if you're going to pack the battery as well, it'll get heavier, but you know, still pretty portable. And I believe there's also an option to have a removable
And you can
disk
remove
drive.
a CD and DVD drive to make it lighter to use. It also runs on AMD Turing technology, so you can run 2 programs simultaneously and not actually slow down the connection. And I really like this kind of retro-ish print.
I do. The fine detail's actually really nice. You probably can't pick it up on the camera, but it has a sort of swirling pinstripe. Only problem is, because it's piano black and you're moving it around all the time, it
Smudge
gets
magnet.
completely disgusting. But it does look quite nice from a distance.
It's good. It's light and it's portable. I would definitely take this with me.